How to fix NGL not working. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To fix the NGL not working, first and foremost, you need to check for your Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a mobile data or turn on your airplane mode for a couple of seconds. Then launch your NGL application once again. Make sure that you have copied your link from here, or you can even share by pressing on the share button. After this, you need to check for any of the glitch or the bug issue. To do so, open up your phone settings. Scroll down and tap on the apps section. Head over to all apps. Within this apps, go ahead and search for NGL. In here, force stop your application and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on the Clear Cache button. Once you have done so, head back from here. Last but not the least, check out your Play Store or App Store. Tap on the search icon to search for NGL. Mind it, if your application is undergoing an update, it will simply not work. But no need to panic, after the update is over, NGL will start working. If that is not the case, try to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. This sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.